Free scans if you got problems with your car. But yeah, hopefully we'll catch one today. This is attempt number 5, I suppose. We may
out of all the luck that we've
had,
more people are looking at the sign today than they are the other times.
Dude, and it's the same day and same time frame, man. Sir, we're doing free scans today. If you got a problem with your car, we basically just plug in one of our 5610 OB2 scanners into your car, and if there's any problems with it, then you know we could potentially fix it for you.
That's crazy because like my light just turned
one of the lights came on.
Yeah, I don't know which one it is, but
oh, dude.
All right, let me check
yeah, I mean, we could go check it out. Which car is it?
it's the BMW.
Oh, nice, man. We have our scan tool here. We basically plug it in, and this shows us any trouble codes. You cool with being filmed? I'm sorry, man. I'm filming. Oh, cool. Right on, dude. Right on. Well, if we scan the car, and if it picks up any trouble codes, and it's within, we do have a set kind of list of the trouble codes that we can fix. If it is within that list, we can fix it. And guess what? It's free.
That's cool.
Yeah, so we got Peter here. He's just gonna give you a quick scan. So we scan the car, like you can see right there, it's scanning, and then it'll get a full diagnostics, and then it'll kind of just tell you if there's any issues with your car. It looks like something's going on, huh?
Yeah.
But if we do fix the car, we can fix it today. How long have you had the code for? For a while?
Like couple days.
Couple days, okay, yeah. And obviously you don't want something like that to like prolong because it can become a bigger problem. You're about to go work out. I'm sorry, dude. If you got time, we could potentially just bring it to our shop.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's cool?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think we could check it out.
It's probably like a couple
How long
things.
do you work out for?
It's probably like an hour or two.
Oh, okay, that's actually perfect. Well, we got a shop close by. I mean, I know this is like so random and it's a little untrustworthy. We're Innova, by the way, but we do have a shop close by, and it could be a fuel pump situation. We'll probably know a little bit more. Yeah, once you're done with your workout, we'll get it nice and tuned for you, and hopefully that check engine light will go away. But once you're done, you know, we'll bring the car back to you. Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, let me just get your number, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. Get a lot of views, so eat it.
That should be the thing. What do we find while we're repairing these cars?
Oh my god.
What kind of leftovers can we get? I'd take off a little bit. There you go. See the fuel?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So now there's pressure. Okay, so we're gonna put it back together. Now we can reverse that. And then we're gonna put this on here. Codes are gone.
All right, cool. Now, well, it seems like Peter was able to fix the car. It was a fuel pump replacement. Before we give it back to the customer, we wanted to give a nice polish and clean. I think it'll be the cherry on top to get this nice and going. All right, thanks guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, nice. Oh, looks good. Wow, dude, he's gonna definitely be pleased by this. Wow, oh, nice. They did a good job. Ooh, awesome.
Ooh, starts up like a champ.
Dude, nice. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds so much better than earlier. I can't believe it was just a fuel pump. Actually, that's a big deal. What am I talking about?
Just a fuel pump?
So yeah, man, Peter was able to get it fixed. It was running kind of weird. Idle was strange too. But yeah, it was just a fuel pump swap and a little bit more fine tuning. Thank God for the scan tool, kind of told us all that stuff. But yeah, it looks good. Hey dude, what's up, man?
What's up?
All right, so we were able to actually fix your car.
Okay.
Yeah, so the issue was
It's actually the fuel pump.
yeah.
So it was like actually the regulator on there was pumping fuel back into the tank, so it was building low pressure. So now we replaced it and the pressure's good.
Yeah, no, so yeah, pretty much there. So let's go take a look. We'll show you the old part and kind of just show you what's going on.
And we washed the car too.
Oh yeah, and by the way, we couldn't give it back to you dirty. Not that it was dirty or anything, but we wanted to like really bump up the level, and we cleaned it for you, bud. Yeah, absolutely.
This is the old fuel pump.
It is coming close.
And basically, this thing was spitting fuel back into the tank, so it never actually got to the outlet right here to the fuel rail. But we replaced it. It's an assembly, so you can buy this separate. But you have a brand new fuel pump. So go ahead and start it. I cleared the codes, and let's see what you think.
Yep. So again, it didn't take too long. It was actually just one part swap, so.
It already sounds better.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, it sounds way better than before.
Yeah.
It's like a little shaky.
Right on, dude. Yeah, so again, fix the car. It was just a fuel pump and,
How much do I owe you?
well, actually, I'm glad you asked. That's actually the best part. It ain't gonna cost you a thing, and we got it. And Nova's gonna pay for the fix and everything.
Thank you. That's crazy because like I didn't really have that much funds.
Okay, hey, and even perfect then. It went to the right person, man. Again, enjoy your car. Hopefully you have a good day, and hopefully your car runs better from now on.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, man, we'll see you.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Ah, there he goes, man. Another happy customer. I'm glad we could do it for this guy. All right, buddy, you take it easy, man. Enjoy your car. You too.